So what helped you move towards accepting and supporting your child fully?
I'm not going to give up on my son, no matter what. I can't let him go. So, only option for me to is to be with him. To go, I mean, it's okay, right? It's what if he has uh, some kind of disease? You know, there are many things that can suddenly come into your life, right? What if he's got a major disease in life? Would we let your child on the road or just go away? I can't handle you. You will not do. Any
Correct.
mother, for that matter,
Yeah.
will fight her soul out to
True.
safeguard the child. So I think I embraced it, and I you know, I mostly what I did was I sat through myself. I processed it, and I spoke to a couple of people also. Could be my counselors, could be a lot of people who are part of this community. How is it? So he is behaving like this. He's talking like this. So how do I do it? So I myself have taken some help when I need it. I can do anything for my child. Then I have to, if I have a child who has disease, so I will learn about it.
Correct,
Right.
correct.
So that gave me a lot of courage to understand, because there is no way out. I cannot let him go, and if I let him go, what will he be? You know, tomorrow he can be just like any other person, which I am scared of dreaming. You know, I don't want that. So if he's with me, we can mold him together.
Correct.
So that's the only concept. But it's always nice that if such children have some support from the family, you know, they can do it. They can achieve great.
Yeah.
They can go very high. Yeah. Most of all, you know, they won't feel lonely. They
Correct.
don't feel left out. They don't feel betrayed. First of all, you know, God has given them that situation, and he's left them with that thought in their brain or whatever, body and whatever. So what happens is that I think I take it as a blessing. I take it as a blessing.